This is CKA Challenge question 2. Having the weightage of 4%, create a static pod on node 01 called static enginex with image enginex, and you will have to make sure that it is recreated, restarted automatically in case of any failure happens. This question is related to Kubernetes platform and required you to create a static pod named static nginx on the node 01 of the Kubernetes cluster. The pod must be used the nginx image as is container image. A static pod is a pod whose definition is created and managed directly on the node where it runs. It is not managed by the Kubernetes API server like regular pods. I hope you have an understanding on the static pod. In addition to creating the static pod, you also require to ensure that it is recreated or restarted automatically in case of any failure occurs. This means that if the pod becomes unresponsive or stops running for any reason, it should be automatically restarted by the Kubernetes system. Overall, the task required you to have a good understanding of the Kubernetes architecture and the configuration options available for the static pods. You should also be familiar with the basics of the Nginx container image, how to deploy it as a static pod in the Kubernetes cluster. Take on the challenges of solving these questions on your own first, but if you encounter any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solution. Okay, let's monitor the environment first. qctl get node. So we have two nodes and we have to create a static pod in node 01. So let's go to the node 1 because we have to do create a definition file in node 01 so that it's get created for node 01. So let's move to node 01. Okay, so I am in node 01. How to identify where we have to keep the definition file? For this you have to execute some command like es aux and grep for kubelet. Here you get the file of the configurations var lib kubelet config. Just copy this path and do a cat on it. Just paste the path and grep for word static pod. So this is the path where we have to keep our definition file for the static pod. Just copy it and go to that particular path. Clear the screen. We don't have any file in this particular folder. So let's create one. Vi using the Vim editor, name static. Whatever you want, either you want to write with the question number, then you can use it in this way, static. And this is the good practice that you must follow in the exam as well. API version v1 because this is used for the static pod as well. Kind, it's a pod. Metadata, as per the name given in the questions, that is the static nginx name. Name will be static. Okay. Specifications, containers, name. It's not mentioned what should be the name of the container. You can take any name like container 1 or container nginx, image nginx. Okay, let's save it. So you have one file. Now come back the main master cluster by pressing the Ctrl D. Use ctl get pod. So here you can find that one static pods get created for node 01. The node 01, the name of the node gets prefixed with the name of the static pods. In this way, you can identify this is the static pod, and we don't need to run any command to create it. It's automatically get created. When it's get destroyed, it will automatically gets created. So we covered that part as well. So it's created and restarted accordingly. So we don't have to do anything for that. This is the feature of a static pod. Let's monitor it again, and now it's running. So this way we complete this lab. Now moving to the next question.